Thy Precious Jewels Women Ministry would like to invite you to our annual Women's Conference taking place in Lagos, Nigeria. It is a call to prayer. It is the gathering of God's jewels. It's a beautiful fellowship. It's dedicated to the coming of Jesus, our King. Our conference theme is Behold, I Come. This meeting will hold on the 25th of October 2014 at Word of Faith Prophetic Church, 9 to 11, Kudirat Abiola Way, Oregun, Ikeja, Lagos. The meeting starts at 11 a.m. prompt to finish at 5 p.m. prompt. It is free to attend. Refreshments will be served. Children are welcome, and we also welcome our men to attend. Feel free to invite your female friends, your male friends, your neighbors, your colleagues, and your church members. This is an interdenominational meeting. God has prepared His chosen men and women to lead us in this time of prayer. He has given us amazing testimonies in recent years, and He's able to give you a new song this year. I personally look forward to receiving you at the meeting. God bless you.